Hi guys, today I would like to show you of the unboxing Mathlink Cubes of the Numberblocks. If you'd like to see more videos, you can click the like, subscribe and click the bell button below. So let's see what is it in here. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, this is the Numberlink and this is the face of the Numberblocks. Wow, there's a Mathlink cubes there. Woo! So easy to remove and it's so soft. Here's the red one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, 6 red. 60 bunches of the red blocks. What about the blue one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew, 60. It has 60 the same as the red one. Oh, there's so many colors. Purple. Oh, there's a gray. There are 3 shades of grays. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, orange. But why there's only one? No. Oh, the pink one. The pink one. Whew, that's so beautiful. So soft and it's easy to hold it. Oh, breaking apart. Here, the gray shades. Oh my gosh, so long here. But don't worry about it. Green blocks. Wow. Here the green blocks. Yellow blocks. Oh, there's a purple one. Another yellow one. Oh, another gray. Hey. Wow, so many grays. Okay, here's another purple. Oh, and the white one. Oh my gosh, there's a sticker here. Oh my god. Look. Here's the number face. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. This is 90 and this is 100. Wow, so many beautiful colors. What is this? Numbers from 21 to 100. Oh my gosh, there's so many stickers. The stickers here. Wow, so cool. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is how to use it. The instruction how to use. Not bad. 60s. Oh, the face of 60s and 70s. So this is all of the box and it looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh, looks so beautiful. And this one is the stickers. So how cute with the numbers. And but there are so many Mathlink cubes and the faces. And there's only 11 number links. So this is the end of the unboxing. If you want more videos, you can click the like, subscribe and click the bell button below. So bye everyone.